morning and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's Monday Morning Minute. Before Dr. Shatkin talks about our Make a Smile Happen MASH program, I just wanted to remind everybody about our upcoming 2-day one-piece implant training seminar we have coming up right here in Buffalo on May 14th and 15th. We're super excited about this May course because we're having brand new lectures that we've never given before. One being Dr. James Tharp, who's going to specialize in CBCT training and the software that's included in it so you can safely and confidently place your implants. And the next brand new guest lecture we're having is Dr. Boyd Shepard. Dr. Shepard specializes in topics like risk management, state compliance, as well as record keeping. This is very important information that every practice owner should know so it can protect your practice, protect your future, as well as your license. Bring any staff member that you may find this information be important to and bring them up to our May course at no charge. Now here's Dr. Todd Shatkin and Dr. Jared Shatkin down in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida at our last implant seminar talking about our MASH program.
Good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin with Dr. Jared Shatkin and my dear friend Dr. Louise Breton here from Fort Lauderdale. We're here in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida for our meeting here at the Nest Resort in Palm Beach Avenir. We're having a course here, a 2-day course, and we've got a great group of people here to participate in our program. But Dr. Louise Breton came, and he's going to be here for the program, but he wanted to talk to you about the MASH program, Make a Smile Happen program that Jared and I started many, many years ago. It was actually his idea when we were sitting in our living room to do something to give back to the community, and we came up with the name MASH, Make a Smile Happen. And Dr. Breton has a patient he'd like to share some information about.
Thank you, Dr. Shatkin. I want to thank the Shatkin team for supporting us to help a wonderful patient that is a special patient that really needed to have her lower teeth extracted by periodontal disease. And so we coordinated with Dr. Shatkin, and we did the extractions and immediate placement of implants and an immediate denture. Her life changed so much. She's calling, she's telling us that she's telling everybody, friends, and calling that she's now got teeth and showing them pictures. So that was very rewarding.
Thank you, Dr. Shatkin, por haberme visto hace años en el pasado y gracias por todo lo que hizo por mí.
So for those of you, thank you very much, Louise. So for those of you who don't know about the MASH program, basically once a year, our dentists that work with Shatkin F.I.R.S.T can select one patient once a year from their practice who's of a need of some special services and some extra help. This can be a patient who's a victim of domestic violence. It can be for any real reason that you want to help this individual. Shatkin F.I.R.S.T will provide you with up to $1,000 worth of implant products and lab work for that case. All we ask is that you provide the services complementary to that patient. So in this case, Louise, you selected an individual who was needy.
Yes.
And didn't have the funds or whatever to
Correct. Yeah, they're immigrants and they have no possibility whatsoever
pay for it. So you did in the Jewish religion we call it a mitzvah. You did a good deed for this person. You helped her to live a better life, right?
Yes, life-changing for her and her family actually, because she's a special needs person and she's so happy now. Everybody's happy.
So we encourage all of our customers at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T to take advantage of the MASH program. Unfortunately, a lot of dentists don't do this, but we do have probably 8 or 12 a year who do. So everyone out there, please consider taking advantage of the MASH program and provide those services to somebody in your community. All you have to do is reach out to Mark Aarons or myself, and we can help you coordinate the treatment and care. And Dr. Jared did the treatment plan for this case, and he'll do the treatment plan for you along with me for your case as well. So we look forward to working with you at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. and join us next time on the Monday Morning Minute.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sam Shatkin Jr. This coming May, on the weekend that they're going to be running the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. dental courses for the beginners, I'm also offering on May 16th a full-day Botox injection course. That course is going to include both didactic as well as hands-on. So if you want to learn how to do Botox and then actually physically perform Botox injections, predominantly on the face, you'll be able to learn about it in my course, get fully certified, and then it'll be the same weekend that Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. is doing their beginner dental implant course. So it's a great chance for you to come in. Buffalo's beautiful in May. You're going to love the environment. We've got an amazing course set up for you, both for the dentistry and the dental implants, as well as the Botox course, which I'm going to be running on May 16th, which is a full-day course beginning at 8 a.m. and finishing around 3:30 to 4 p.m. Hope to see you there.